So in this situation, where we're not allowed to, not the situation of die but not sin. Like we're not allowed to, if we're, for example, told to either kill this person or not, or instead be killed, and we should choose to die instead. What if the person we're asked to kill is someone that deserves to die anyways, or that has like a, I don't know, like a death decree all the way from heaven or from a bestie? For example, I don't know, someone that's into witchcraft that has to be killed on the spot. So if we're asked to kill this person, or otherwise be killed ourselves, should we comply or still, I don't know,
So it's I see your question. It's very interesting question. So there is such a thing in Judaism as treifa. So meaning a person who has some like internal or some kind of disease, and he's not going to live out the year, right? So it's like in some sense treifa, like a dead man, right? So it's not so some halachas are different, are more lenient. So most likely that person is not going to get a death penalty, for example, if he did it even on purpose, because it says that he killed already dead man, right? So it depends in all of this, like witchcraft, as you said. If you saw it, if he was trying to pull you in, that's one story. But if somebody told you, if it's not based in, maybe it's Lashon Hara, made up story. So it's not so simple. Are you have to die for it? I'm not sure. It's a very good question. I'm not sure. Let's put it aside. But it's not such an easy question because in the case of treifa, for example, that's I think it's like straightforward example. So halachically, this man considered to be dead man. Or his gosses. Gosses is somebody. Gosses is somebody that is going to die most likely in the next 3 days. So a person is dying. So a person like that, we're not allowed to touch. We're not allowed to move. Like maybe you said, yeah, maybe I want to fix his hand, fix his pillow, unless it's absolutely necessary. We're not allowed to touch him. Because any like unnecessary move to that person, you can kill him, right? So if you kill such a person, did you kill? In some sense, you kill, but but the punishment is not the same as you would kill like a living person. Okay, but we have to double check. It's not so simple.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.